Alright guys, 2017 300 XC. I'm gonna put bar risers on here. I'm a tall, well, I'm 6'2", but it's getting to be a pain to have to reach down for these guys. So I got these, and I'm gonna hook these guys up right here. See how it's kind of different? How the original KTM one puts the reinforcement here, and aftermarket puts the reinforcement down here. Well, not only that, but the stock one, yeah, it's about the same. Go ahead and look at it once I get this going. I think how I'm going to do it is just loosen the bottoms first. And it doesn't look that complicated at all. Hold on. It's easier to get it from the front. The back, you're going to have to work harder. Just take the number plate off. Push it off to the side. And then, remember, as you're unscrewing these, there's going to be a top nut that you got to hold. Alrighty. Inside, I'll show you. Okay, you take the top nuts off, and then you gotta hold those down right there as you unscrew them. Let's put this in the back here for a while. While I do that, okay. Okay, then you just get your T45, stick it in there, and unscrew that guy out. Okay, now you just get a screwdriver and a needle nose plier, and just be gentle and just take out this conical shape. If not, you're not going to be able to get it out. Then once you get that top rubber off, you just, should be really easy. Okay, hold on. The other side was a little bit hard. And when you're all done, you can put your cherry on top of your little pie here. I know that Rockstar is a sponsor of Graham Jarvis, my favorite, one of my favorite riders anyway. But that's about all it takes. My old bar pad was, it's all bust already, so time to retire that guy. We're gonna be putting on some new colors on this bike soon, so stay tuned. Aloha.